Hello everyone. So today I thought I will create a video because I have some requirement. So my requirement is like I need format JSON documents or JSON string whenever it's coming into some web pages. So if I am browsing some web page that may be specific to uh, my personal web page or anywhere. So the thing is like I need to format them. How I can do that? So many ways you can do. So you can depend on any other JSON, any other JSON formatter. That's one option. And in that case, you need to open that one and you need to do that. Other things we usually doing is like we are going to Notepad plus plus or any other Visual Studio Code or anywhere we can do that. But if you have something like you're looking for logs or some other places, you need to copy from there into the formatter. It little bit of a pain. So basically, what we can do is like if you have a browser extension, you can do that very easily. So, and creating that browser extension is also an easy task. So, only you need to know the JavaScript. So, that's the that's the thing that we are going to do in this video. So, before I am going to the coding part of these things, I already coded most of the things. So basically, I will just go through the code. That's fine. Before that, I will give you guys a demo. So that's the way we can understand what it is. So here, so this is a JSON string. It's not a formatter one. So whenever it's formatting, will align based on the formatted things, right? So what we are going to do, if it is an invalid JSON, it will not format. If it is a if it is a valid JSON, it will format. That's the way this plugin will work. So it's a so that's the thing. So if you're just trying to format these things, it will not work. So that's the way these things are working. So you can go to the code. It's not a big deal. So for a plugin, the for any plugin, what are the two important parts? So you should have a background .js and also the manifest. So the manifest is the main thing. So, and any URL we can have this script to be run. So permissions and the context menu, scripting, active tab, and other things are that we need for that particular this particular extension. So we are just giving that one, and this is actually a format that we follow in everywhere, right? In a extension development, we are always following this one, so it's not a big deal. So background.js. So this is the one. So from here we are pointing into background.js as a service worker, and inside that everything will happening, right? So here what exactly I am doing here. So I am adding context menu on click add listener. So it's a right click and we need to we are adding a listener here. So format JSON is the info menu ID. So here before that we are adding another listener. Chrome runtime on install, add listener, create format JSON. If it is installed, we will have one context menu item that's called format ID as the ID, and title you can provide any title that you can see on the right click. So that part is not a big deal. So, and you need to select a particular area. That's the criteria we are using here. So after that, here if context menu on click, add listener. We are adding a listener. This will run for all the context menu click. And if it is format JSON, we are doing these things. So format JSON, we are executing the script. That's content.js. That's the file we are executing with the tab ID. So tab ID you can get from here. So that's based on the selection. Okay, so the whole data you are selecting you will get from there. So the info dot selection tags, and from there you are sending a message. Once the content script is injected, send the message. So content script is injected into the execute script, and you need to send a message to the content script. So action is format JSON, and you are sending the selection text into that one. Then you need to go to this file. So on this file there are a lot of things. So for beautifying our alert box, we have some CSS style, so that we using style inside the style tag, and we have so many model content, close button, everything. You can customize that. It's a little bit things you need to do if you need a custom alert box. Otherwise you can use the existing one. That's not a big deal. So this is an example here. This is a custom alert. Okay. So there should be an okay also. The content we will change after that. Inject the alert HTML and style into the page. So here you have alert HTML and style you are adding initially, and add even listener close out. In that case, query selector alert OK button, click close out. So document query selector and even listener close out. So query selector close button, close out. In close out, what is happening? Get element ID customer alert. We are not displaying anything. Show alert. We are showing based on the style.display parameter or any property I guess. So then format.json, this is the place. So you are formatting your JSON first. Then what you are going to do is JSON stringify that formatted JSON, then returning that one. So on message add listener. So whenever add listener message is get on this content.js, you are checking whether this action is the format JSON. And if it is format JSON, you will showing the alert. And from showing the alert, if you click on the close button, these things are happening. So that's the way these things are happening here. And let me check there is any other example I can show you. So JSON example data. So if I have some JSON data available, I can use that well to show you guys. So here are JSON sample files. So this already formatted. So if you are formatting this one, you can see the same one, right? If you are formatting this one, can get the same thing. So I guess that's already formatted one. We need unformatted one. That's the thing. So here, this also formatted. So basically, we can do anything here also. Just this one also formatted, but we can try. So here there is some changes, so it's good. So that's the way this Chrome extension will work. And furthermore, I'm pushing that into our GitHub repo. So that also I will do right away. So you guys will get that. Uh, you guys will get that URL. So whenever you have time, you can use that. And from there you can develop something else. I mean, there are a lot of modification we need. So the first modification that I know right now is like if the things are very large or something, and if the things are mm, partially JSON, in that case these things will not work. So we need to handle that kind of scenarios. How we can handle a partial scenario? And the other things related to the CSS, if it is a large set of data, we can drag and drop to the bottom. So that this is going to be a problem. So we need to find out so many solutions for that. So that's actually possible with some a little bit of knowledge, little bit of changes you need to add to this script. Then this script itself we can use for that kind of scenario. So JSON formatter. So JSON formatter, JSON formatter extension. So I don't know whether I can publish this into Chrome. So probably I will try to publish these things after I am doing that two things actually. That two additional command actually I probably try to publish this one. So let me clone this repo. So the first thing that I am, where is my cloning button? So here, the next thing, this is the repo. So let me check whether it is public. So I guess it is public, so it's fine. So let me clone that one. Then we will do something from that one. Okay. So here Here what I am going to do is need to go to my some of the folder actually. So which folder I will go? It's a question, but let me try something. The projects. I have one extension. Yeah, yes, it's a right folder. Can try. So I need to git clone. So it's cloned already, and in that one, I need to push the changes that we made somewhere else. So here JSON paste 3 items, and I am trying to edit. I will try to edit these things, the readme from here itself. So the next thing that I need, where is my menu items? Okay, git add. It's not a. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so here, so git commit -m JSON formatter. I don't know if format spelling is correct, but for me it's correct. So JSON formatter from extension with the custom edit box. Okay, so right now we need to push. We will push that. Git push origin poly. I'm usually doing these things. No. Git push. Okay, so right now it's fine. So I am usually doing all of these things using IntelliJ. So that's a problem. So what exactly these things are doing? JSON formatter from extension. Why JSON formatter Chrome? Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Chrome extension. Probably the best idea here is like what I will do. What I will do here is like I need to get a data here. Yeah, this one is a very good thing. So then we will do here is let me just pull a little bit, then you can see what exactly we are doing here. Then we need screenshot. So that will explain most of the things. So then we are coming here. So I need to get that screenshot. That's one thing. So that I will get from the desktop where actually my screenshot. So the name should be screenshot itself, I guess. Yeah, I got it. So what I'm going to do is the screenshot I will put it in one is here, one window here, and right now I added custom tab, custom alert tab with the JSON format, and that image is that image is fine, but still we can do here, we can take another image with this one. Not sure this will work, but we can try. So here, so the second image, we got screenshot of that one also. So the next thing that I need is here that screenshot to be added into our commit changes. That's fine. So here we have everything. So we got this one, we got this one. But there's not that much good actually. So once a person is coming, how he know how he can add these things. So Chrome extension. Probably most of the people working on the Chrome extension know these things. So right now I'm not going to worry about that one. Right now I am contributing something. That's good. So I don't want to show how this extension adding into our adding into our Chrome extension manager. So these things are fine. So thank you for watching. So just to remember this name, or you can go to my own repo and find out from there. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Let me stop my video right now.